Welcome back to Spy Garage.
2027 is a significant year in the development of recreational vehicles, and the 2027 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome is the final response to the question of what RV living will look like in the future. This car is positioned to become more than simply a motorhome. It is a well-planned, highly technologically sophisticated, and aesthetically pleasing mobile home that will appeal to a new generation of discriminating tourists who demand an unwavering balance of comfort, independence, and sustainability. This futuristic motorhome's appearance would be a dramatic break from conventional, boxy styles. In order to develop a lightweight yet remarkably durable body, Winnebago would probably adopt a sleek, aerodynamic design and use cutting-edge composites and materials. Energy efficiency would be given top priority in the design, along with integrated drag-reducing elements and delicate curves. A key component of the design would be large, panoramic windows, which would provide a smooth transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces in addition to flooding the inside with natural light. With its sleek lines, modern color scheme, and clever LED lighting that highlights its luxury status, the car would give off an air of smart modernism. The experience of entering the 2027 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome would be immersive. The inside, which is optimized for both comfort and functionality, would be a tribute to clever design and painstaking craftsmanship. The term luxury suggests a cabin furnished with premium materials like hardwoods from sustainable forests, soft leathers, and cutting-edge, self-cleaning surfaces. With clever furniture that can be rearranged to accommodate different demands, such as a large lounge for entertaining, a peaceful workstation, or a cozy dining room, the arrangement would be extremely modular and flexible. With its top-notch induction appliances, generous workspace, and clever storage options that make the most of every square inch, the kitchen would be a chef's paradise. The main attraction of this motorhome would be its technology. A complete, user-friendly digital control system that can be accessed by a central touchscreen or a smartphone app would oversee the entire vehicle. Everything from the lighting and climate to the car's self-sufficiency and diagnostic functions would be managed by this system. Long-term off-grid life would be possible with a strong, all-electric power infrastructure backed by large solar panels and cutting-edge battery banks. This emphasis on independence and sustainability is a major component of the future of RV living. Additionally, the RV would have cutting-edge communication features like 5G boosters and satellite internet to guarantee that its occupants stay connected wherever their journeys take them. In addition, the 2027 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome would prioritize comfort and well-being. While a quiet, effective climate management system would maintain the ideal temperature, sophisticated air and water filtering systems would guarantee a clean and healthy atmosphere. With a comfy bed, soundproofing, and specially designed lighting, the bedroom would be a haven of peace and quiet. With its roomy shower and high-end equipment, the bathroom would resemble a spa. The 2027 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome is essentially a vision of a transportable, eco-friendly, and opulent lifestyle rather than only a car. It is a true representation of what RV living will look like in the future, since it is made for those who wish to travel the world without sacrificing the luxuries and conveniences of a luxurious house.